Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I think it'd be fun to start like a new series on this channel called something like trying things so you don't have to. Something like that, where basically I want to just try different products, services, you name it, things that you see on like social media a lot or just see around and you kind of want to try them but you don't know if it's worth the money. I'll try them for you and let you know my honest opinion if the products or services are worth it or not. So if you have anything like that in mind, let me know in the comments what I should test out for you guys to let you know. But today's video, I thought I would start with something in the kitchen. There are a lot of meal kit, like home delivery type services out there. So I see Home Chef meal kits in my grocery store all the time. And I saw one that looked appealing, so I thought I would test it out for you guys to let you know if these meal kits that you might see in your grocery store are worth the money or not, because they're kind of pricey. So this is the Home Chef meal kit, $18.99. I didn't pay that much for it. I actually had a coupon. I think I paid like I want to say maybe $12 for it, so I figured I would pay $12 for something like that if it's a nice meal, but I definitely wouldn't pay $19 for this. I could just tell you that right now. I would never pay that much. I think that is a lot of money, but maybe that's good. I don't know. Maybe some people would pay that much just for the convenience of having everything right here ready to go for you. I definitely appreciate the convenience, but I don't know. I just feel like that's kind of pricey. Anyway, I'm just saying, I'm gonna test this out, see if it's worth it or not. Let's test it out. I got Philly cheesesteak enchiladas. They actually look really, really good. So we'll see if they taste as good and like the portion size. So I'll just set you guys up on my counter. Okay, let's unbox it and see everything it comes with. It says ready in 25 to 35 minutes, which I like that. I feel like that is a good amount of time. All right, so we have our peppers. I feel like that's a good amount for 2 people. I'm assuming this is only meant to be like one meal and not have leftovers. I usually have leftovers when I cook because I hate cooking a bunch of meals. So I just cook a lot and then we have leftovers for the week, but I'm assuming this is just to be like a one and done meal. So if that's the case, I feel like that's a good amount for 2 people. We have our beef, nicely packaged. I appreciate that. Kind of double sealed so it doesn't get juices on stuff. Cute little cheese packet, crispy onions. I love those. Little, oh, plain light cream cheese. I was gonna guess this was sour cream, but little cream cheese packet, beef flavor glaze concentrate, and some tortillas. And I like, there's actually kind of a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tortillas for 2 people. That's pretty good. And then we have our little direction card. Oh wait, I missed one. Green onions. Oh, one more thing too. Garlic salt. All right, sweet. I'm so excited. I've never done one of these before, but I've always seen people do them on YouTube and I thought they looked super fun. So here we go. Okay, here's an overview of everything again, just so you can kind of see it better. Good portion size, I feel like. All right, let's see what to do. Preheat oven, prepare casserole dish. I'll just use this big clear one. All right, cut our green onions and our meat. I feel like that's like a good amount for 2 people. And now I have my pan heating up with some oil and we're gonna cook the meat, and then I think you just add in the veggies to make the filling for the enchiladas. Okay, we're ready to add in our pepper and onion mix. and some other stuff. I will say it is nice having little packets of like the glaze and the garlic salt and all those little things where if you didn't have that, you'd have to buy like a whole bottle of it when you might only need it for like, you know, this one recipe or every once in a while. So that's nice that they just come in little packets of all the sauces that you need. Okay, this is looking and smelling so good. All right, this is off the burner. Now we're adding in half of our cheese. Half. It's probably good. Okay, and then I think we just let it sit for 3 minutes, I think is what it says. We'll mix it up a little bit. Yum. I wish you guys could smell this right now. It smells amazing. All right, time to assemble the enchiladas. I'm gonna get a heating pad for here. I got a new clean cutting board because I don't want to contaminate everything, so we'll watch that one later. Have this one, we'll get our tortillas out. So I guess we'll just one by one fill these up, stick them in our dish. Okay, wow, that was the perfect amount for 6 enchiladas, and they're like packed full, like this much meat. So you can even do them smaller and then you definitely have leftovers because there is a lot of filling, but I fit them all in 6. They look so good. All right, now what do? Bake the enchiladas. Okay, I can do that. Bake enchiladas, oh, for only 5 to 7 minutes. Sweet. I'll put them in for like 6 minutes. I need to make the sauce to go on top of them. Small pot. Okay, so we need a small pot. Small pot. Gonna add our cream cheese in. Alright, we're just gonna stir this up. Just added the rest of the cheese. I don't know why it's so blinding. Then the last direction is plate as it's pictured on the front of the card. So like that. Enchilada with the sauce, green onions, and the crispy onions on top. Looks so good. Okay, let me get some plates ready. Okay, so here they are plated. They're so pretty. I'm so excited to eat these. There's 2 more left over here in case we're like super hungry, but I'm guessing these might be leftovers. But yum, they look so good. Okay, we ate those so fast. They were so good. We had 1 left over, so Ryan will have a good little lunch tomorrow. I was for sure that at the end of this video, I would be like, it was okay, but probably not worth it. That was like really good and just super convenient. And I feel like I've heard on other food boxes, like portions are kind of smaller, but I feel like this one was like really good. Like we had leftovers. So I'm gonna say I'd probably do it again, though I would do it again with a coupon. I wouldn't do it for $19 for sure, but I did it, I think it was $12 or $13 is what I bought it on, which I feel like, I don't know. I feel like I would probably do that again. I use the Ibotta app. I've seen it on there for like the past month, $4 off a home fresh meal. So that's what I use. I'm gonna talk more about Ibotta probably the next video that I make. So stay tuned if you want to learn couponing, little tricks and tips, because I've been using it a lot lately and I really, really like it. I'm kind of obsessed. It's fun getting a bunch of free stuff and just like good deals. But yeah, anyway, I used the Ibotta app, got $4 off, plus there was like a sale on them at my grocery store. So yeah, I would do it again with the coupons, probably wouldn't without them.
Oh, naked.
You are naked, yeah. You're so silly. So what I was trying to say there before I got climbed on by crew was just, that's the end of the video. Thanks so much for watching. Might give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Again, leave in the comments if you like this series idea and if you have any suggestions on things that you would like me to try out and tell you if they're worth it or not. Yeah, this video was super fun, so I'm excited to do more of them. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys next time with another video. Bye.